Hello, you guys. Welcome. I'm Parshvika. On this channel, we talk a lot about making money online as a creative person, as an artist. Now, today I'm making this video or requested video to talk about the AI font generator on Creative Fabrica. Like few days back only, I make a video talking about the overview, and then I ask if you want a tutorial, and some people ask me to make a tutorial. So I'm gonna show you on the laptop exactly how to use this new AI font generator on Creative Fabrica. Of course, I'm going to use the free version. I'm not going to use the paid version because I create my own fonts. I don't need AI for that. But we're going to take a look at that, okay? Because why not use the technology if it's there for us, okay? And we can monitor what we need to do with that. So let's begin. I'm going to keep the Creative Fabrica link in the description if you're interested. It's an affiliate link. If you go and buy any their paid plan or anything like that, I'm going to receive a small percentage commission without any extra cost from you. The links are in description. You can very well check them out. So let's go to the laptop and begin. Before that, give this video a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing. I have a lot of the courses. And guys, I forget, we have a Valentine's Day sale, flat 50% off on my entire shop, on all products in my shop. Use code LOVE50 at the checkout to get 50% off all the courses, guides, ebooks, planners, audiobooks, all sorts of our, even the bundle is also on the 50% off. The link is in description. I have a Zazzle course, Creative Fabrica course, teachers, pay teachers course, Teepublic. All the links are in description. Check it out. Anyway, let's go to my laptop and let's take a look at this tool. On the Creative Fabrica, I'm gonna place the link of this font generator tool in the description for you guys to check it out. But this is the home page of the stuff look like, the Creative Fabrica font generator. First AI tool to generate your own custom fonts and download them to installable format on Mac and Windows, okay? Generate font now. It's free till March 2025, so you can use it right now. No, not another tool, another world, another future. Get started for free. Fonts for professional use often cost around this, so you can start, register for free. Choose a font style and AI will generate a custom installable font in that style. So you gotta choose a font style and AI will generate it that. Beginner friendly, time saving, use without boundaries. So we're gonna try it, but I'm just gonna give you the look how it's gonna look like informative playground, creating sophisticated installable fonts with generative AI. Creative Fabrica font generator, created for everyone, not just geeks, okay? Never consider the wrong and right way to create fonts in 2025. You can read about this information about the FAQs to know more about the font. Can I download a file in TTF format? Yes, you can export the font. So you can export the font in TTF format. That's the font format file. And then you can use on Mac and Microsoft PC, like Mac and Windows. How does the Edge font generator work? We're going to take a look at that. Technology, technical requirements, difference between desktop fonts and web fonts. So desktop fonts are the fonts that are installed locally on a computer and utilize an application Word, Canva, PowerPoint. Conversely, web fonts are hosted online, enabling their use on websites through CSS to ensure consistent text rendering across various browsers and devices. Guys, you can read these FAQs because they are giving you the more information if you want to know more about it, how to use it. Now, how much does it cost? I'm going to cover that. Generating fonts with our font style generator is free. Every registered user will receive 5,000 coins. So you're going to receive 5,000 coins in the beginning. Then later on, they'll have a paid plan. Wow, so much FAQ is there, and also the how to use it and all that. We're going to click on the option create font now because I want to show you guys how to create it. We have to take a look at the overview about the homepage. Now here you can see wow, I got the 5,000 coins. Sign in with your own account, guys. The moment you sign in, you're gonna get the 5,000 coins. Like you can see, 96 people are online. Generate unlimited fonts. There's a free trial, so I'm gonna talk about the plan as well because when you sign in, you're gonna get the 5,000 coins. So this is the coin balance. You can see 19,000 more for free craft and 67,000. Like you can take a look at that, guys. Transaction history. If you write the review, you're gonna get the 1,000 coin. If you earn 2,500 posting a project, okay. So if you post a project, you're gonna receive 2,500 coins. It's 2,500, okay. And if you write a review 1,000 coins, you're gonna get and on 5 coins from tips on Creative Fabrica Spark Flow. You can see how to earn more coins. Like you can spend your coins here, and this is a way to earn more coins. This is also the way to earn more coins. You can read about it. Okay guys, let's take a look at this one. So generate a font. So we have the options, decorative, artistic, fancy. Which kind of fonts you want to develop? You have, so I'm gonna pick up a decorative for the time being. Okay, so let's take decorative, and you can select anyone from here. I'm gonna keep the decorative, and let's click on this button. Okay, now we create the first. It's gonna generate the font. Wow, that's it. You gotta select decorative, artistic, or last one was fancy, and here you are with your font. Your generation view below your generated font. If any glyph seems out of place, select them and select regenerate. So so when you create one font, you spend 1,000 coins. You can see here, I create this font and I use my 1,000 coins. So when you're registering as a free user before March 2025, you're gonna get 5,000 coins. For every font, you're gonna spend 1,000 coins. Okay, so I spend 1,000 coins. Now I can discard this font and I can get my 1,000 coins back. But if I'm downloading this font on my computer, that means I can't get the coins back. So you can get the coins back as long as you're not downloading the fonts. You create the fonts. If you like it, fine. If you don't like it, discard the font and you're gonna get the 1,000 coins back. But if you generate the fonts and then you download this font by clicking over to the download the font, then your 1,000 coins is gone. You can't get it back. Okay, so this is the font now, and these are the numbers. Wow. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Like this is the one they are using, and these are the glimpse grid. You can check the every glimpse. So these are the lowercase, and this is the uppercase. These are the numbers. These are the punctuations. Okay, pretty cool actually. Yeah, I like it. For example, if I type something here, for example, happy day. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Actors are just for this background. These are not for the fonts. Okay, so you can see how it's looking in every color. Okay, so that's the first font I create. If I don't like it, I can discard the font, and then I get my 1,000 coins back. Otherwise, I can download this font and my 1,000 coins are gone. So that's how so easy and so simple to create this font. Now I'm gonna discard this font because I don't need this font. So I discarded it, and the moment I discard it, I get my 5,000 coins back. You see guys, now I choose the decorative. Let's pick up the artistic and see how we got the fonts here. So select these 3 styles and then just click on this button, and they're gonna generate the font for you. It's very simple and very easy, and not many features are there. Only 3 are there: decorative, fancy, and artistic. That's all you have. You don't have the serif fonts and serif, like that kind of fonts, but it's still very cool. I like this too. It's still very cool. Now this one is another one. You check the glimpse over here. It's pretty simple, pretty basic. Wow. For example, if like happy birthday. Wow. So you see, you can check in the different colors. Wow, that's pretty cool. You can also adjust this thing 96 pixels if you want to see it enlarged. You can adjust that, guys. You can adjust it here as well, 24 pixels or 96, whatever. Okay, I use it in the lowercase. Let's check in the uppercase. So happy birthday. Wow, that's cool. That's very simple. Okay, I'm gonna discard the font, and we're gonna try the last one, that is the fancy. So the moment I discard it, I get my 1,000 coin back. So now I'm gonna try fancy. Okay, we tried decorative, artistic. Now let's try fancy and click over to this button. Okay, it's generating the font. You can see the code is happening here, the AI font generator. I don't know how they use it. I have no idea how they train this font tool. Okay, here we go. Ah, this is fancy. I don't know how come it's so fancy. I don't see it fancy. But anyway, guys, it's still the robot is creating font for us. We don't need to do anything. We're just selecting 3 options. Out of 3 options, 1 option and click button, and the AI is generating for us. It's pretty cool. Let's try the numbers here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's try the punctuation. Yeah, pretty cool actually. I like it. I like it, even though I don't want to use these fonts because I create my own fonts, but still it's cool. I mean, I'm going to use it for these one in the future, but for now, this is just for the sake of the tutorial. We're getting only 5,000, okay? So if I take a look at the generate unlimited fonts free trial, let's take a look at this plan and paid plan. So free trial, so you can have a free trial for $0, and then they have the annual subscription. Monthly free trial they have, and the monthly subscription, how much is it cost? Monthly monthly there is a free trial. I think it's only there till March 2025, and after that I don't know whether they're gonna make it as a paid or not. I'm gonna let you know, guys, after that. But so far you have till March 2025 as a 5,000 free coins. That means you can generate and download 5 fonts, and annual subscription is $47. I think it's pretty cheap for annual, pretty cheap, because you can generate so many different fonts and so much you can use it. You can sell these fonts, you can create text with that, you can use in print on demand designs. Like most of the people use the fonts for making text based designs. So if you can generate the new fonts like that, so within seconds you can use these fonts to create your print on demand design. So I think it's a pretty cool. Hopefully you find this video useful. Do let me know what you think in the comment section below. Let me know if it is helpful. Let me know if you're gonna use the Creative Fabrica AI font generator tool. Let me know, guys. I'll see you the next time. If you have any questions, any queries, also let me know. I'll see you the next time. Bye bye.